Hello, I'm Kevin from CryptoMY. Today episode, let's talk about Bitcoin price prediction today. So let's stay tuned. Previously, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, altcoins, has been falling, doing a consolidation move up and down, up and down, up and down. I actually talk about it in my TikTok channel. So if you guys haven't followed my TikTok channel, I'll put down the link at below here or somewhere around here. You guys can watch it because I will do a lot of short videos about price prediction there. So let's talk about full price prediction. What's gonna happen to Bitcoin today and the following weeks? As you all know, okay, Bitcoin has been in the bearish move for quite some time, falling from 60 over thousand all the way to 46,000. So you guys might think that, oh, it's a bearish move. Bitcoin is going down to 30,000, 20,000, back to the 2017 or back to 2014, where Bitcoin has been bearish for quite some years or some months. Is Bitcoin right now heading towards that direction? I would say no. And in this video, I will tell you why. In my TikTok channel, previously, I have talked a lot about what is Bitcoin is doing right now. Looking at the 4-hour chart, looking at the daily chart or weekly chart, we seems to have a very, very good direction where is Bitcoin is heading to right now. So you can see, right, this is the support area. What do you mean by support? Meaning that the Bitcoin, every time it falls to 46,000, 46,000, 46,000, 46,000, or maybe slightly lower, you can see there are plenty of buyers buying back at this area. It shows that the buyers are very, very strong. I think the whales are very, very good in accumulating at around this 46,000 area. So every time you see, right, it falls, it will go up. Falls, it will go up. Falls, it will go up. Fall, it will go up. And falls, it will go up. So it makes a descending triangle. So when it happens, this sort of pattern, right, there's only one way. There are too many buyers here, and you see the sellers are getting lesser, lower and lower, meaning that buyers are willing to buy back at this 46,000. And it's a good thing. Why? The moment it has a very strong support area, you know that a lot of buyers are buying back at this area. You can see the price will not go below these 46,000. And if it does, okay, let's say the worst case scenario, if it does falls below 46,000, if the candlestick able to close below 46,000, then you will see a very strong bearish move all the way to 35,000, 30,000, 38,000, probably lower, because there is not much gap around this area already. So if it falls, it will go all the way down, maximum 30,000. But right now, you see it has the opportunity to go further up. Why? Because you see this descending triangle, right? It keep on falling, going down, downwards. Whenever the candlestick touches here, this descending triangle, the upper line of this descending triangle, it falls, it falls, it falls, it falls. And right now, surprisingly, this candlestick able to close above. But is it a bullish confirmation? I would say no. Why? Because this is actually a double bottom. If you can see here, we zoom in here, we just focus at this area. This is actually a double bottom pattern, meaning that the neckline is here. So you see the neckline, right, is somewhere around this area. And this candlestick, this previous candlestick, it just closed right below. We don't talk about this one because this one is still not yet confirmed yet. So what happens if this confirmed? If it really confirms, then you can take the profit from here to here. Probably I will put the price range. You can see from here to here, you can actually move it towards upwards, and this will be the next price of the Bitcoin. It able to close above later another half an hour time. So it will goes back to the 50,000 area. This is what I can assume. The 50,000 area should be around this area. And you can see the moment it go all the way up here, you look at the daily chart. So if Bitcoin managed to go all the way back up here, you can see this descending triangle is already broken. This is no longer a descending triangle because it closed all the way. And it actually closed this moving average line 20 if it goes all the way to 3,000. Then the next resistance level should be around this area where this moving average line will come closer. So the next target, I would say, is around 53,000, 54,000, go all the way up to this 56,000, or maybe higher, around this 58,000 if it's possible. So you can see Bitcoin has the potential to go higher later on if this 4 hour it managed to close above. And I see the RSI and also the stocks RSI is showing very bullish right now. It is way above this 50 line. It's around sitting around 63, and it's a good thing. When the RSI is showing above 50, meaning that the buyers, the whales, the bulls are willing to buy, and it has stronger momentums than the bear. So if you ask me whether or not it's possible to go all the way up to 50,000, I would say it's possible. So you see, right, the moment it closed, this one, half an hour time, but unless this one just go all the way back down again after the half an hour. But if it does close above and it stay around this area, then you can see that the Bitcoin will have the potential to go further up, or it can even go higher. If Bitcoin really go up, then all the altcoins will follow to go up. No matter is it Cardano, is it Ethereum, is it Solana, is it Shiba, is it Doge, or whatsoever. Most of the altcoins will follow the same steps of what is Bitcoin is doing, because Bitcoin is the pioneer cryptocurrencies in the universe of crypto market. I would say that Bitcoin will have the potential to go further up. But let's say if it fails to, then probably it will go back down to this descending triangle, will float again, and it will have a decision making whether to go up to go down. But most likely, I would say this is the moment of truth whether the Bitcoin will have a bullish signal or a bearish signal. But to be cautious, it might do a fake breakup. Even though if closed above, doesn't mean it will not go back down. It will have the slight chances to go all the way back down here to this support area, to test this support area whether it's strong enough. And if it does, then it will have something like another candlestick, like a bullish engulfing, to confirm you that the bulls are stronger, so it will have a very strong move towards upwards. But if it breaks below, then it will go back into this descending triangle. But most probably, I would say, based on the momentum isolator, I would say that it will have a strong movement to upwards later. By this week, I wouldn't say today, but today it might has the possibility to go up, but I wouldn't have to put so much hope on it. But I could see the potential going up today later on in this evening or maybe later today. Okay, so we will be monitoring what Bitcoin is heading to. But let's say if Bitcoin would have this bullish direction, it could or it might make all new time high, because this will be the start, the beginning of the cryptocurrencies going back upward. And you can see, right, most of the time it doesn't have this indicator indicates that it has a bullish movement. Every time you see have been past few months, you don't see any bullish signal until right now. Finally, we see something different from so many months. Okay, so it's something interesting here, something to take note, and I hope you guys like it. And okay, I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Gonna see you guys soon, and goodbye.